Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional logo with Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the app or the website version and choose the template section. Click on the template icon here. So once you click on it, it should appear this way. All you have to do is to click on this next icon till you find the logo section, which is this. Click on it to see the templates available, and you can edit one. So you can search for a template that suits or fits your criteria. So once you've identified a very good logo for your brand or business, let's say I want to use this, all you have to do is click on it and to view it properly, and then you can see other designs that are similar to that. Okay, say I now want this one. All you have to do is click on it and then customize this template. Let me just say that this my Canva version is the pro version, so you may have to get a pro version if you want um all the templates free and unlocked for you, or you can still make do with the free version. Canva offers a whole lot of free packages. So once you have the logo designed this way, you can proceed to edit each character and each word to fit your project. So this is how to design a professional logo on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you and do have a great day.